Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of black. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. The alphabet of K. K for kite. Kids, now we draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. And the next one is P. The next one is Q. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose, R for rye. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is W. X. Now we draw the alphabet of Y. And the last one is Z. Subscribe. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring star, and now we are using the color of green. First we are mixing. Now we are mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we coloring star, the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. We are again using green color. The color of green. Kids, the next one is square. Now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of square. Red color. Now we are using the color of red. We are again using red color and coloring the shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. We are again using and coloring the shape of triangle. We are using red color. Then the next one is circle. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. The last one is trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.